Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Shinco SPF2-12CG 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. I've looked through the internet, compared it with similar portable air conditioners from competing brands, and checked customer reviews to help you decide whether it's actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The Shinco SPF2-12CG is designed to cool rooms up to 450 square feet, making it suitable for bedrooms, home offices, apartments, dorm rooms, and medium-sized living spaces. It delivers a 12,000 BTU OSHRI cooling capacity, or 7,800 BTU SACC, which provides solid real-world cooling performance for rooms within its recommended size. The adjustable temperature range from 60 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit lets you customize the climate to your comfort level, whether you're dealing with a hot summer afternoon or simply trying to sleep more comfortably at night. One of the strongest features of this unit is its versatility. Instead of functioning as just an air conditioner, it combines 3 different operating modes into one machine. Cooling mode quickly lowers room temperature during hot weather. Fan mode improves air circulation when cooling isn't necessary, and dry mode works as a dehumidifier to remove excess moisture from the air. During humid summer days, reducing humidity often makes the room feel cooler even before the temperature drops. The dehumidifier function is particularly useful because it can remove up to 43.2 liters of moisture per day under ideal conditions. Thanks to its self-evaporating design, the system minimizes manual water draining during normal cooling operation, making daily maintenance much easier than older portable air conditioners that required constantly emptying a water tank. Another advantage is the simple installation process. Everything needed to get started is included inside the box, including the exhaust hose and adjustable window sealing kit. Installation doesn't require special tools or permanent modifications, making it an excellent choice for renters or anyone who wants temporary cooling. Simply attach the window kit, connect the exhaust hose, and the unit is ready to begin cooling your room. Using the Shinco is straightforward as well. The front LED display provides clear access to temperature and operating settings, while the included remote control allows you to adjust everything from across the room with a range of up to 23 feet. Whether you're watching TV, working, or relaxing in bed, you won't have to get up every time you want to change the temperature or fan speed. The unit offers 3 fan speed settings, allowing you to choose between quieter airflow or maximum cooling performance, depending on the situation. It also features automatic air swing, helping distribute cool air more evenly throughout the room instead of concentrating it in one direction. The built-in 24-hour timer is another convenient feature, allowing you to schedule the unit to turn on before you get home or automatically shut off after you've gone to sleep, helping improve both comfort and energy efficiency. Moving the unit between rooms is easy thanks to its compact design and 4 smooth rolling caster wheels. If you only need cooling in one room at a time, you can simply roll the air conditioner wherever it's needed without much effort. After looking through reviews across the internet, most owners are satisfied with its cooling performance, easy installation, and overall value. Buyers frequently mention that it cools bedrooms and apartments quickly, while many appreciate the simple controls and reliable dehumidifier mode. The included installation kit also receives positive feedback because it allows most users to start using the unit within a short amount of time. Of course, like any portable air conditioner, there are a few compromises. The compressor will still produce noticeable noise during operation, especially at higher fan speeds, and performance is best when used within the recommended room size. Larger open spaces may require a higher capacity unit for the same cooling effect. So, should you buy the Shinco SPF2-12CG? I would say yes. If you're looking for a dependable portable air conditioner that combines strong cooling, useful dehumidification, simple controls, easy installation, and good overall value, this is a solid choice for most homeowners and renters. Overall, the Shinco SPF2-12CG delivers exactly what most people expect from a portable air conditioner. It cools efficiently, offers flexible operating modes, requires minimal maintenance, and is easy to install and move from room to room. While it may not include advanced Wi-Fi features found on some premium models, its reliable performance and practical design make it an excellent option for everyday cooling.